The definition of a life well lived. For me, a life well lived is a life that is not about victories or losses, but about a continuous process of growth, a continuous process of evolution, a continuous process of adventure, curiosity, bewilderment, and awe. One in which you don't go quietly into that good night at the end of the race, but instead you rage and rage and rage against the dying of the light.
Define life according to your measures of success, but it really is things, I believe, like expressing your power, doing work you find meaningful, regardless of what the world thinks, finding people around you who love you, enjoying nature, serving people, being a good human being.
Because when you're trying to differentiate, when you're trying to do something different, there's going to be that gut moment, that gut sense. Is this right? Is this not right? If you're not having doubt, you're not pushing the boundaries far enough.
Now this is for the $211. $211, one guy. Randy Yoho. Erwin Ziegler.
So let's give it up for Tanner Moore. He got third in the VP series as well. He's coming in with the man chair. And injury getting a little back for getting this trip. Give it up for Levi, the future of motocross. Austin Brown in 6th place. VP race series, Mr. Sebastian Asina.
Because I've been racing for a long time. My son grew up here racing. Randy puts a good show on. The track's always different. The dirt's really good. Really fun family atmosphere here.
We're out here at Dade City Mex, and Dade City is just a great track for all riders and people. It's just a great level of every rider.
everybody, Sam, everybody for doing such a great job here at the track. I want to say to everybody out there, ride safe, be safe. I want to thank God for keeping us all safe, and may the Lord be with everybody.